Hey, what's up? I'm Michael, and this is my video blog entry for Friday, September 12th, 2014. As you can see here, I decided to do a screen capture. I'm going to show off something, and if you've viewed my gaming website or my gaming channel, then that's what this video blog is about. So anyway, this is my gaming YouTube channel, and it's called Let's Play Gaming Entertainment. So we have a brand new channel trailer right here that I just made. I'm sort of doing the same thing about that, but anyway, now we have uploads here, our gaming video blog here. Let me mute my phone for the duration of this video. But anyway, we have the uploads here, we have the video blog here, and these will not appear anywhere other than this particular row or on the website in that particular place. We have playthroughs, walkthroughs, and let's playthroughs here. If a game is finished, it will be pushed over here, and whatever is still going will be here. So as you can see, Grand Theft Auto 5, Saints Row, and Diablo 3 are still going, so they're ahead of everything else, and The Hobbit and everything behind that is finished. I had to remove the work in progress one that I had to make room for new playlists at the bottom, new sections I should say. So under that we have random let's plays. We now have our very first PC game video, which is Borderlands 2 random let's plays. I took on the Son of Kral Marax, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. The next thing is the other video series. It contains tips and tricks, trophy and achievement information, and just random gameplay videos. Pretty much anything else. And then we have the bonus gameplay. If I can stop y'all, I'll keep telling you about it. So anyway, the bonus gameplay is actually it's where we started a series and we had to restart the series for some reason, or we couldn't use that video. It was not up to the quality that we wanted to use for that series. Basically, with Fez, the game that I started, it crashed on me. I don't know why the recording device crashed on me. And with Watch Dogs, there was a absolutely horrible echo. An absolutely horrible echo. Excuse me, I need to use my proper English. Okay, so we made room for 4 new playlists, and that would be PS4 gaming, PS3 gaming, Xbox 360 gaming, and PC gaming. And I wanted to do this because I've got a lot of PS4 stuff up, probably more PS4 stuff than anything else actually. And then we do have quite a bit of PS3 stuff. There's not that much Xbox stuff, but I plan on doing a whole lot of PC gaming stuff in the very near future. So that is my gaming YouTube, and I love working on it and working on the videos. So anyway, let me show you the new website. Now the graphics look almost exactly the same. The last video I had made about this probably have something a little bit different on it, but the first 3 rows are actually recent videos. Apparently I'm talking too much and my brain is not getting enough oxygen, so I keep yawning. So anyway, the first 3 rows are video rows. The top one is walkthroughs, playthroughs, and let's playthroughs. The second row is random let's plays. The third row is the bonus gameplay, tips and tricks, trophy information, random gameplay, just stuff like that. Basically, it's all the other videos that we might have. The next row is actually a new thing, and it's screenshots. And on PC and PS4, it's really easy to do screenshots. So I will have a lot of screenshots from stuff like that. I've got also a row here of recent reviews, and as soon as I have enough content, I'm going to add another row here that is documents and achievement list type things, and that'll probably blow up rather quickly. It just depends on how much work I put into it. One thing that I love is I have this here where it shows the latest game pages and the updates to those game pages. We have a journal section on the site. Then this part here just tells like the latest news post and all of that. Now this bottom section to me is really something that I want on the site, but at the same time I don't know if it belongs here. But anyway, I've got it here. I think it looks good here. We've got a currently playing section, and then we have a current projects that tells what exactly we're working on with the website and video series, and then we have a recent site updates section. So below that, I've got links. I cannot stop yawning. I have links to different RSS news feeds that are pulled in and actually used as gaming news, basically. I'll show you what that is, but anyway, any type of post that we've got, the recent updates will have that there. Then we have our tweets, and then this other stuff. Then you got your categories and your archives here. So anyway, let me show you what I'm talking about with game feeds. This is an old feature, and you can see it's just we pull in an RSS feed and create a news feed system, and that way we don't have to have the post, we don't have to make the post, but our viewers or users still get quality news if they want it. You can come and choose what system you want to do. Like this is the PlayStation one. Now some of these are based on different websites. Like I believe Xbox and PC actually come from the same place, and it actually does put a lot of the same stuff in there. So some of the time these things just all of a sudden disappear also. So anyway, let's see here. We have a gaming journal. I'm not going to bother showing that right now. We have also, this is a really neat thing I like, is we have a graphical interface for the reviews, videos, and screenshots, and those documents will be the same way at some point. But anyway, basically everything is alphabetized by the game name, and you can go through and you can pick a review or a video or a screenshot post that you want to view, and I'll show you what each looks like. Let me go back to the reviews right quick. Let's see here. I'm going to bring up Arkham City. You can see it's just, this is something that's going to be updated in the near future, but this is the current layout for it. They have scores on the newer ones, certain new ones have a different type of scoring system. Every new review we do, I basically advance the system a little bit. So for videos, I will show you. Let's see here. I want to go by Bound by Flame, and this is what a video page looks like. You can see for each actual post, it's going to have something dealing with the game as the header for the site, which is the way featured image works. And I'll show something else about that in the game pages itself. But this is what it's going to look like on your actual video pages. So then we have screenshots, and for screenshots, let's see here. Let me find something that, well, let's just go with Diablo. It's basically going to have, if there's a PC screenshot, then it'll tell on here if there's different versions, basically. If they're from the same version, then there's not going to be much of any type of different, there won't be anything telling what's different, really. So all of these are from the PS4 version. You can see, you can click on there and go through as such, and it just it's a big old gallery. Now let me show you something else that's pretty neat. Say you wanted to see a review, you didn't want to see that graphical interface, or it's too slow for you. You come here, click text list instead, and you can see it puts everything in a text list instead, and it just depends on how many things there are, I think, as to what's actually in there. Like how many wide they are, I guess you should say. I could say. So anyway, though, that's how that works. The next thing I want to show you is the way the game series works. You can come in here and say Assassin's Creed, and you'll notice it's got actual stuff from other. Okay, let's see. It is stuff from pretty much all the games. If I can think of what game it is, then if I have a series and I can think of a game in that series, then I put it in here basically. And that's just to make the list. I'm not sure why Unity's showing up at the top. I'll have to fix that. But this should be in release order or chronological order or something like that for each thing. But if you actually go, let's say, to the games, and you look down here, you'll notice that not all of those are in the same, or actually in the games pages. And the reason for that is, say I have something for Liberation, or I want to see the Liberation page. It has nothing on it though. So basically, when you go to the games list itself, you'll notice that Liberation's not there, and the reason for it is it's basically a courtesy to our viewers that I've taken the pages that have no content and just hidden them from anybody but admins. So you can get to them through that series thing though. So if you want to see them, I mean, go ahead through there. But you can see this way. You can just click on a page, and you've got your different stuff. And what I've done was I actually set it up so that I put no information other than ID numbers into the game page database. and it worked out a lot better than all of the other complicated systems I was doing. But I'm going to show you something really cool. I've got a lot of stuff put into Flower. We have 3 reviews, one on each system it's on. We have 2 different video series on it and screenshots, and you can see it automatically gets each rating or review section or whatever and puts them up. It automatically gets both sets of videos and posts them, and it automatically gets the screenshots. And I can click here and it'll bring it up just like it would the screenshots on the other page. So that's something I really enjoy, and I think that that's just absolutely awesome the way that it works. One thing that we're going to be working on though is actually getting these documents up. And what documents are, as you can see, this one is just a controller, custom controller scheme basically, and this is to help out people who might be having a little bit of a hard time figuring out how they should set up their controller. This is just a little suggestion as how I've done it, and I'll go in and I'll do this for a lot of my games that I do on the PC. I'll be doing this type of thing. As far as the other documents, it'll be stuff like walkthroughs. Cuboid has a walkthrough if I can find it. I had a complete walkthrough for it. There's a bunch of other things like tips and tricks and stuff like that, and not all of them will have this box. This is just a pre-box the way it looks to keep that formatting. But anyway, the website, it has a thing for Twitch and Ustream, although our internet's not fast enough to do that. So every now and then I can get on there a little bit, but it doesn't really work all that well right now. I'm not sure what's up with it. And then another really cool thing is I've got this set up to where if you want to visit one of our other places, you just go to Around the Net and you can get to any of our stuff through that. Join us on Facebook and Google Plus though. If you like video games, join us on there. Follow our YouTube. I would much appreciate it. Just if you like our videos or anything, let us know. Doesn't matter where it is, just let us know. But this is what I've been working on. The previous game page system was really messed up. I had to go in and basically put in every single bit of information again 2 or 3 times, and it did not work right. It was so hard to make it work. But as you can see, I would have to actually go in and paste all of this code in there again. And since this is in a post, what I've done is with those ID codes, I can basically draw or pull the content directly from the original post, and I don't have to re-encode it or anything like that. I don't have to go in and put in any custom stuff. It's all done on the fly as long as I have the code. And if there's more than one review, it automatically pops up. If there's more than one video or screenshot or whatever, it automatically deals with all of that. It doesn't matter how many there are, as long as there's more, as long as the IDs are put in the right way, then it'll find them, it'll put them in an array, and it iterates through that array and actually prints everything out to the screen for you. So that's something that it took me 8 months to figure out how to go about actually getting the system to work properly, and I finally got it working, I think, the best way I can. And I'm going to do a few other things on it. Probably going to update the gaming journal and stuff like that. But besides that, I've really been putting a lot of time into this. The one problem that I had is that I would like this banner to actually appear up here, like the if you go to the review, you'll see that it's actually the featured image up here. I would like the featured image to actually be on there, but the way I have it custom coded, I don't think there's a way for me to do it. I have to end my video now. It's been about 20 minutes already. But anyway, check out the site and let me know what you think of it. I'm going to be trying my best to get some more art videos done since I finally got this website update done, and hopefully I'll get them up here soon. But yeah, I'm really proud of my website. So I will try to make another video soon, a video blog. Just depends on how much work I've done or have to do, basically. So anyway, that's all for now, and I will see you later.